Chapter 8 of class 7, triangle and its properties. Okay, triangle and its properties. I am solving worksheet 1, that is the exterior angle property. Okay, a triangle has three angles, three interior angles. This is a triangle and this has a three interior angles, A, B, C. Interior means angle A, angle B and angle C. And the three exterior. Exterior means extend the line BC. I will get the exterior angle number. This is the, if the angle, this is the 1, 2 and 3. And this angle equal to 4. Now produce this, you will get exterior angle 5. And this is the exterior angle 6. Interior angles 1, 2, 3. Interior angles equal to angle 1, angle 2 and angle 3. And the exterior angles angle 4, angle 5 and angle 6. Now the property of exterior angles is the exterior angle is equal to the sum of interior opposite angles. Exterior angle equal to the sum of interior opposite angles. Interior opposite angles, sum of. Okay, so now the exterior angle 4, exterior angle 4 equal to interior opposite is 1 and 2, angle 1 plus angle 2. Okay, and exterior angle 5 equal to angle 2 plus angle 3, and exterior angle 6 equal to angle 1 plus angle 3. Opposite means angle 4 के opposite 1 2, 6 के opposite 1 3, 5 के opposite 2 3. And the 3 and 4 are forming linear pair. Angle 3 plus angle 4 equal to 180 degree. They are forming linear pair. Okay. And angle 3 is known as the adjacent angle of angle 4. This is the interior opposite and 3 is adjacent angle. Adjacent means just common vertex and common arc. These are called the adjacent angles. Now the worksheet 1 related to this property. Worksheet 1 of triangles. Okay. Now the question number 1. Look at the figure carefully and complete the statement. Angle BAY equal to the angle ABC plus. This is the angle BAY. BAY. This angle Y equal to the interior opposite angle V plus angle C. Same. So you can write angle BAY equal to angle ABC. ABC this angle plus angle ACB. ये जो एंगल है एक्सटीरियर ये वाला ये किन दो के सम के बराबर होगा एंगल बी प्लस एंगल सी. इस एंगल को बोलेंगे ए बी सी, ये एंगल ए सी बी. तो राइट यू कैन हियर यहाँ पर ए सी बी. नेक्स्ट एंगल सी बी जेड. एक्सटीरियर एंगल सी बी जेड मीन्स दिस एंगल इक्वल टू द एंगल ऑफ ये और एक ये एंगल सी बी जेड. ये एक्सटीरियर है, इंटीरियर अपोजिट बी ए सी बी सी ए. एंगल बी ए सी एंड एंगल बी सी ए. ओके. नाउ थर्ड सी ए बी प्लस ए बी सी. सी ए बी मीन्स दिस एंगल प्लस ए बी सी दिस एंगल. The sum of these two angles equal to the exterior angle ACX. Exterior ACX. Okay. Now question number 2. In the given figure, find angle YRQ and PRQ. These are the YRQ. YRQ means this one. And angle PRQ, this angle. Okay. This is the figure. First we have to find the YRQ. YRQ means exterior angle YRQ. These are the equal to the interior opposite. It means angle P plus angle Q. The property is exterior angle equal to the sum of interior opposite. It means 60 degree plus 70, 130 degree. And another PRQ, angle PRQ. PRQ means this angle. The PRQ, angle PRQ plus QRY equal to 180 degree. Sum of these two angles equal to 180 degree because they are forming linear pair. Then PRQ plus 130 degree equal to 180 degree. Right here reason linear pair. Okay. The angle PRQ equal to 180 minus 130. It means 50 degree. This angle equal to the 50 degree. Now question number 3. Question number 3. One of the exterior angle of triangle ABC measures 150 degree. यानी exterior angle कितना है 150 degree. If one of the interior opposite angle is 75 degree, अगर एक interior opposite 75 है, find the other interior opposite angle. And what type of triangle is this? Okay. One of the exterior angle is 150 degree. Suppose this is a triangle ABC. There D point, exterior angle 150 degree. And one of the interior opposite is 75. Find other angle. We can find angle A because exterior ACD equal to angle A plus angle B. We can write angle A plus angle B equal to angle ACD. Angle A plus B is 75 degree and ACD is 180. Sorry, 150. ACD is 150. Therefore, angle A equal to 150 minus 75. Angle A equal to 75 degree. It means angle A is 75, angle B is 75 and find angle ACB, this angle. And ACB equal to 180 degree minus 150. क्यों? Linear pair. 30 degree. Okay. If two angles of a triangle are equal, this angle is known as the isosceles triangle. What type of triangle is this? Isosceles triangle. Question number 4. One of the exterior angle of triangle is 100 degree and the interior opposite angles are equal to each other. Find the measure of these equal interior opposite angles. Okay. The exterior angle is 100 degree. In this triangle, exterior angle equal to 100 degree and interior opposite angles are equal to each other. Let these are the X. A, B, C, D. Angle A equal to angle B. इसको हम लोग कर देते हैं let X. Now angle A plus angle B equal to angle ACT, exterior. 100 degree. 2x equal to 100 degree. X equal to 100 by 2, 50 degree. You can say angle A equal to angle B equal to 50 degree. Question number 5. Question 5. In a triangle, one of the exterior angle is 105. One of the interior opposite angle is 75. Find the measure of all angles of the triangle. एक्सटीरियर पता है, एक इंटीरियर पता है, बाकी के दो और बताने हैं. Figure. one of the exterior angle is 105 degree and one interior opposite is 75. इंटीरियर अपोजिट है इसका और ये फाइंड करने हैं दोनों ए बी सी डी. हमको फाइंड करना एंगल बी एंड एंगल ए सी बी. एंगल ए प्लस एंगल बी इक्वल टू द एंगल एक्सटीरियर एंगल ए सी डी. 75 डिग्री प्लस बी इक्वल टू 105. एंगल बी 105 minus 75. It means 30 degree. Angle B equal to 30. Now angle C. Angle ACB plus angle ACD equal to 180 degree. Linear pair. ACB find करना है. यहाँ ACB उतार लेंगे. ACD is 105 equal to 180. Now ACB equal to 180 minus 105. 75. Okay. And the question number 6. In the given triangle, find the measure of PRQ. PRQ. Simple question. Figure. This is angle P given that 90 degree. This is the symbol of 90 degree. P R Q S. Suppose this angle equal to 140 degree. Find PRQ means this angle. The angle PRQ plus angle RPQ. RPQ means this angle. The vertex in middle equal to angle RQS. यहाँ लिखते जाएंगे आप लोग हर क्वेश्चन में एक्सटीरियर एंगल प्रॉपर्टी. ओके. जब भी ये लाइन यूज करेंगे आप लिखेंगे एक्सटीरियर एंगल प्रॉपर्टी. पी आर क्यू प्लस 90 डिग्री इक्वल टू 140. पी आर क्यू इक्वल टू 140 माइनस 90. 50 degree. This is the answer. PRQ equal to 50 degree. The exercise is finished now.